So next time, whoever is taking this photos or videos, who is this? Devendra has taken it. Try to like take more clear or zoom or like keep the camera straight. Something. I think there was Anshul or something in the group who has done some research and jugaad for taking this, putting the tape and cello tape or something he had put in the pictures, no? So like that you can do something. I don't know, I can't read. The maximum allowable weight of a portable fire extinguisher. How much?
23.
Sure.
23 with medium inside it.
Yes. Then flammable materials kept in store that can cause fire.
A, B both.
Both A and D.
Yes, both A and B. Then oil doesn't require, which oil does not require anti-static precautions? Asphalt, bitumen, naphtha, heavy gas oil, jet fuels.
Naphtha.
Naphtha. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Everybody agrees? Who is that? Shibin. You can research on this.
Sir, what is bitumen? Because naphtha is like a flammable cargo. So
Vaporable. Naphtha is your karpur, what you are using, naphthalene
yes.
balls. But that is
Naphtha
very
is
easily
flammable,
vaporizable.
but
Sorry, naphtha is flammable, yes.
cause electrostatic charge.
Bitumen is your the solid impurities when you are these like in the refinery, the crude oil products are refined, and whatever the last solid or impurities which are left, that is bitumen, which you are using for your roads, the
Road
tar, coal
construction.
tar, and all. Sorry,
So
Road
bitumen
con-
should be the right answer, right?
sorry.
Bitumen should be the right answer.
Yeah, I think it should be bitumen because it should not have that much static properties. But we need to search. I have this list of. I think Shibin, can you check this? Just see, there is a list of accumulator and non-accumulator oils. So just check in Google or somewhere. Is it accumulator? Which one is accumulator and non-accumulator? If it is accumulator, then you have to take anti-static precautions. If not, then no need. So he will share, otherwise I will get this list of accumulator and non-accumulator oils. Then which of these statement explains how a vacuum is created in an inductor? A rapidly moving stream of liquid passing through a nozzle, a propeller, no, a reciprocating plunger, no, centrifugal force, no. So first one. Then Annex 1, collection of residue, tank washing, and also oily mixture to be.
Slop tank.
Slop tank.
Annex 1, collection of residue, tank washing, and also oily mixture to be in the slop tank.
Slop tank.
Then after loading high volatile and H2S cargo, person engaged in taking alleging of cargo should stand parallel to the wind direction, perpendicular to the wind direction, same direction from where the wind is coming.
Direction.
Wait until the wind speed becomes zero.
Same direction.
Same direction.
Same direction.
Why?
Same direction.
Take away the vapors.
To
The vapor will then go away from the person.
yes. But nowadays, alleging tapes are already gas tight. First, you make it tight and then open the wall, so it will not. There will be no vapor only. Then
Aftermax.
Aframax.
Aframax.
during loading operation, allege and temperature measuring equipment. Okay, now don't answer. I want everybody to put in the chat because one or two are only answering and others. So I want to see how many people are able to answer. During loading operation, allege and temperature measuring equipment is showing low battery. UTI is showing low battery. So battery is to be replaced. Can't be replaced on tank area, can be replaced in the tank area, can be replaced in manifold area, can be replaced in pump room area, or can be replaced inside accommodation. So A, B, C, or D, everybody can put.
Inside accommodation.
Who is this? Sumit Kumar, I told not to tell the answer.
Sorry, sir.
In the event of fire on board, what do you think is the primary consideration of the master? Liaise with the head office and shore authorities to save the ship, to follow the instructions as given in the emergency response manual, and safety of the crew. What is the main thing? Put in the chat. When you are putting in the chat, the answer put also, you are answering for which number because it's getting confused. It's a question, answer for question number 20 or 21. So most of you have written C, but primary responsibility, primary consideration for the master is safety of crew, safety of life, then property, and then environment.
So then the answer is D.
Yeah,
C.
D.
Sir, answer can be C also because C has all the things to be followed during the emergency. Safety,
But they are
either
asking what is the main thing. If they are asking what all things you will consider, then you will put C. But they
okay.
are asking of all the things, which is the first thing.
Okay.
Which is almost absent in crude petroleum. Write the question number also 20. Yeah. Mercaptan is absent in crude petroleum? Not possible. What is mercaptan?
So that's smelling agent.
Yeah. So because these crude oils have got so bad smell, they are adding mercaptan for having some smell, like deodorize or something. So you will have mercaptan.
Olefins is confirmed, sir. Because oil.
Sorry?
Either it will be then B or D. Olefins is confirmed.
Olefins, I'm
Paraffin
not sure. But D,
also
I
got
think,
B.
is cycloparaffins, paraffin wax. Need to check.
So paraffin is actually right.
So cycloparaffin might be the answer. Tank washings for crude oil washing shall be mounted and shall be of a design acceptable to the administration. So tank washing should be permanently or temporary. Ship can be simultaneously discharged and ballast so as to avoid. Ship can simultaneously discharge and ballast so as to avoid explosion, vapor, oil contamination. None of the above.
Or
Sorry. Why we are doing discharging and ballasting simultaneously?
Maintaining stability.
For maintaining stability of
the ship.
Can't read this question. Can anybody read this question?
To minimize
Electrostatic operation.
static electric generation during loading operation.
How to minimize static electricity generation during loading operation? Okay.
Load at maximum rate, load at minimum rate, as per chief officer convenience,
Load at
master's
minimum rate.
instruction.
Load at minimum rate.
Minimum rate. Yes. Somebody is writing B. B is minimum rate. Okay. Then should the oil monitor system fail in any way, that is loss of power, loss of signal from the ship's log oil monitor, then the system operation should continue, wait for the signal to receive, stop, or give only audible visual alarm and continue. What will you see? Yeah, stop the operation and repair. If a liquid is used as the driving medium, the appliance is called ejector, stripping pump, eductor, or cargo pump. Eductor, correct. What is the difference between ejector and eductor?
ejector is actually during the priming, the water is primed into the pump.
So,
Purpose of priming.
correct. Then a person manning a fire hose under pressure. Fire hose is under pressure with all-purpose nozzle attached. Should be aware that the nozzle is moved, the handle position is changed from solid stream to fog, shut to solid stream, low velocity to high velocity fog, fog to shut. Which side you will move the nozzle?
So question is, which is the most difficult part? Which is the most difficult one in choosing this solid to? We can.
Which one is difficult to close up?
Yes, sir.
So solid stream to fog, shut to solid stream.
Difficult to control, sir.
Difficult to control. I think last one is difficult to control, shut to solid stream, because if your hose is charged, generally you open it, that time it's difficult to control it, just give a jerk. Correct?
Sir, I think
Sometimes
it's-
we can't able to open also.
when it's low velocity to high
It
velocity.
can be
Oh, low velocity, high velocity
difficult
is
to control.
difficult to control. Yeah, that is also there immediately if there is a pump pressure coming. But that
Yes.
is generally not low velocity to high velocity. It is like from stopping immediately, it gets like the hose is empty and then it is coming.
Most difficult, sir.
Yeah, so most difficult will be B, no? Shut to solid stream. Suddenly it is shut and then immediately you are moving to the stream. On tankers, the impartment of smell is especially serious if the moisture contains hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, or sulfur dioxide.
Mixture contains.
Sorry?
It's a mixture, not moisture.
Oh,
Sulfide.
mixture. Yeah, hydrogen sulfide is the answer. Main smell is because of hydrogen sulfide, correct? On tanker, how many break glass alarm points are located in accommodation?
Difficult to answer.
I also don't know. You'll have to check. Who is that? Devendra. You have to find out the answer for this question. Search. Then during start of loading operation in tanker, rate of loading to be maximum, minimum, moderate as per terminal convenience.
Minimum.
Minimum.
The fire extinguishing action of CO2 is derived mostly from a blanket of bubbles formed on the surface, smothering, cooling, isolating the heat from the fuel. CO2 is smothering or isolating the heat.
So, but actually, it has both. Like, so we usually have a cooling effect also, right? Compressed gas. That is where the icing is coming on that cap.
To cut oxygen first.
Basically, main thing is oxygen will be cut off.
Basically, not from the cooling.
Okay.
Why shall you never pour water into hot? What is it? Hot fat. Huh? What is hot fat?
Water will explode.
Hot fat is hot oil.
Oil.
The fat will stiffen immediately and need
Like hot water pan, something like this. It's fat.
Adding water to hot oil.
I
Like
think this fat is that your deep fat fryer,
Yes, sir.
your what you call French fries fryer you have.
Yes, sir. Both, sir.
So the water will explode into steam, causing hot fat to be thrown far away, causing severe burns. The water will turn into steam and cause fat to explode. The fat will not be edible anymore.
It should be D.
Yeah, I think it should be C. It will explode. I don't think it will go
Yeah,
far away
C.
because it is connected, no? Information on number of tanks can be crude oil washing at one particular time is obtained from P&A stability tank
P&A.
PNA.
P&A manual or crude oil washing manual?
Crude oil washing manual.
Crude oil washing manual. P&A manual is on chemical tankers, not on oil tankers. What percentage of air is made up by oxygen?
21.
21. What class of fire is a smoldering fire of wood, textiles, paper?
A.
Purpose of remotely controlled measuring of tank levels?
Depth of liquid in the
Yes. What is the minimum number of extinguishers?
Can you just tell the previous question?
Previous question. Height of liquid. Remotely controlled oil level monitors are measuring the, actually they are measuring the level, but the purpose is to measure the height of liquid, correct?
But that can be D also, right? Height of the liquid from
Liquid surface
surface level to
top
that
stringers
is aligned. Right?
in the tanks. Yes,
That is
actually this is
aligned is the
D.
right answer.
D is the answer. What is the minimum number of portable extinguishers of 1,000 tons
Five.
and above?
5.
5.
Sir, what is the answer?
Five.
Correct answer for the last question?
D. Height from liquid surface to the stringer top. What is the meaning of volatile cargo? Flash point
Below 60 degree.
Yes. Above 60 degree or below 60 degree.
Below 60 degree.
Yes. In the low velocity fog applicator used in conjunction with the all-purpose firefighting nozzle should always be stored in the rack when not actual use, attached to the nozzle by the chain, coated with heavy grease to prevent corrosion, left in place in all-purpose nozzle.
A, sir.
D, sir.
D.
Left in place.
Left in place in the all-purpose nozzle.
Sir, I think it should be B. Although, like for emergency purpose, it should be attached to the hose. Like the nozzles are connected to the hose itself and attached with a chain on bulkhead.
Generally, they are kept with that on the side only. No, there is a box and it is kept in that. I don't think it is connected with any chain. I've never seen it practically.
Kept in the rack that is in the box.
Yeah, box.
Normally near this lifeboat, you will keep this box. In a box, you will keep this.
Yeah, I have seen in the engine room you have this portable fog applicator. That big drum is there, no, 125 liters. In that they have a box and all this hose and this applicator is
Yes,
kept
sir.
there. So it should be either, I think it should be D, left in place in the all-purpose nozzle. I don't know what is all-purpose nozzle. It's only one nozzle. It should be stored in the rack when not actually used. Anyways, I'm not very sure. In the event of cargo spillage, which of the following would be informed first?
Port
Clean
authority.
agent,
Authority.
owner, port authority.
Port.
Maximum loading rate and maximum venting capacity must be posted in cargo control room, giving details of the rate for homogeneous group
All
by
the
group
above.
cargo,
All the above.
tank
All
by
the
tank,
above.
all the above. Two fire pumps are producing 200 meter cube per hour at how many bars?
7 bar.
7, sir.
7 bar.
10,
Seven.
10.
10 bars. 10 bars.
Sir, this question, just next question. See the next question, sir.
On tankers, emergency fire pump producing 72 meter cube per hour at 10, 8, 9.
10 bar.
I don't think 10 bar, it can be 10 bar. 7 maybe, maximum 6. On our ships, we had 6. 10 bar is the maximum testing of the line. But
7 bars.
working pressure is 6 or 7 bars. It cannot be 10 bars.
Sir, both the answers will be 7 bar.
Yeah, both will be 7 bars because all the lines are tested for that pressure only. Means tested pressure is 10 bars, but operating or working pressure
Sir,
is
the pressure should be at the pump 10 bars because it is in the bottom. No, by the time it reaches the line, it reduces.
No, the
It's not.
requirement is you should have the 10 bar at the bridge, the
Nozzle.
fall.
So at the bottom the pressure sensor is mounted. So that point it should be 10 bars.
My ship, it was never reaching more than 8 bar. So we are following the regulation, but it was not more than 8 bar.
I have seen with all the surveys, they see more than 6 bars. We have a marking 6 bars and it's going above 6 bars. They are not saying the two fire pumps are producing at how many bars. They are not saying the pressure sensor is where. So generally this pressure is for your, I think, for the jet which is coming out. So they are generally seeing the pressure which is there. We have a pressure gauge on the line in the accommodation behind poop, above the poop deck, some A deck, B deck. That pressure gauge they are checking, and there it is maximum 6 bars like that. So I think it can be 7 bars. It cannot be 10 bar. I think pump at pump it can have 10 bars, but when it is discharging, it will be 7 bars. Yeah, for both it is same. Cargo oil liquid in separate tanks, including segregation of cargo lines, and pump with double wall segregation. This type is
Complete segregation.
complete segregation. The foam monitor of the expansion foam which is laid across the cargo
deck.
For gasoline, the flash point is less than 50 degrees centigrade. It is determined by Abel apparatus, Sebold chronometer,
See,
Penske Martin apparatus.
close up.
Sorry?
Sir, see.
Penske Martin apparatus. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There's another name for close up over.
Sorry?
Or is there
Yes.
other name for close up or something?
Yes, sir. It's a close cup testing.
Penske one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who should prepare watch schedule during cargo operation?
Chief officer.
Chief officer.
In the event of fire, what do you think is the primary consideration of the master? Same question, I think.
Of the crew.
DPA requires as per
ISM
STCW,
code.
ISM code. In a smoke-filled alleyway, where will the cleanest air will be found?
Bottom. Down.
Near to the deck. Crawl out and keeping your face as near to the deck as possible. Solvent used in de-asphylating process.
Propane.
Sure.
What is de-asphylating?
Propane.
Answering propane.
So what is the meaning of this de-asphylating?
De-asphylating, I will just check. I don't also know asphalt, maybe.
Removing asphalt, maybe, sir.
Yeah. Sumit Kumar, you can check this, search for this cargo. Whichever method is used, the overboard discharge during deballasting must be below waterline, above waterline, no restrictions, none of the above.
Yes,
Above.
sir. Showing propane
Above.
for last question.
Propane, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we want to see what is de-asphalting.
Asphalt.
Yes. Ballast overboard discharge, is it above water or below water?
Above.
Below water.
Below water.
Below. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Ballast exchange, ballast.
Above water, right?
Ballasting cannot be. Can you please, sir?
The ballasting is above water line.
Above water, sir. Above water.
Above water.
Check if it any this thing is coming. Oil.
It's
sheet is
always
there.
above water, sir.
Yeah.
Above water.
So we can see the water going out. Always.
But not always. If our ship is fully loaded, sometimes you cannot see.
I think there is
No
no
restriction.
restriction.
There is no restriction for that. I have not seen. Have you read anywhere about that?
If it is underwater, then there is unnecessary overload on pump. So why they're going to be doing like underwater discharge? It is always going to be over above water level.
Yeah, they are not asking technical
Hammer
reason. They are
is
asking
something
the
is
rule.
there.
Is there any rule like that?
Sir, I think the new rules with the ballast water treatment system, we have to have above water, sir. Because for discharging also we need the pumps and the filters.
Just Collins, you can check that because
Yes, sir.
whatever ballast water management plan I have read, I have not seen any such rule.
Yes, sir. I'll
Just
check.
check it. The ship's firefighting appliances should provide sufficient power for water jet to reach any part of the vessel normally accessible to the crew. How many jets it cope with?
2 jets.
2, yes. Minimum 2.
Two.
As an emergency measure, the pump room can be isolated, ventilated, inerted.
Inerted, sir.
Okay.
There is a inerting procedure for pump room.
No, we don't have anything.
Then how you will inert it?
Isolated.
CO2 flooding for pumping.
CO2 is not given only. You have to choose from the option. You cannot call a friend and put one more option or 50-50.
But I think it should be isolated because
Yeah.
if we'll close it, then there's exhaust fan also, like that also has to be switched off.
Yes. Isolated only.
Isolated.
It can be done. Where in each monitored space should the gas detector head be placed in a dedicated oil tanker? So gas meter
The
value will put.
bottom.
You will put in the bottom.
Bottom.
The
Gas
top.
will rise up or it will stay in the bottom.
Yeah.
Bottom,
Stay in
sir.
the
Bottom, sir.
Gas is heavier.
Sorry.
It should be placed in the bottom.
No.
Bottom.
But gas detector, gas vapor is going on the top or it will stay in the bottom.
It's a monetary space, so it can be an accommodation also, right?
He's asking about in the where it is.
A dedicated oil tanker. That's it. Yes.
In each any space, the gas will rise up or it will stay in the bottom.
Stay down.
Sir, gas is heavier than air.
Stay down.
It's not about air.
It's an oil tanker.
The gas will be down.
Gas will be down. Sure.
It is heavier than. It's heavier than air.
So in pump room, you have the gas detection system in the bottom or on the top?
In the bottom.
Bottom.
Top
The
we
heaviest
don't have.
space it is from.
Sorry.
I haven't seen any
It is
detection
ballast
system
tank.
mounted on the bottom of any room, sir.
Yes, I've also not seen that. We always check the gas in the top while they're entering. There is a fixed meter also kept, and you have a portable meter also.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
maybe detection from the top, but the exhaust, the trunk of the pipe of the exhaust is from the bottom.
Exhaust
while we-
pipe opening is there in all the decks. Everywhere you have this ventilation.
While we go down in the cargo tank or any tank, we will put this detection system at the bottom so we can detect any gas. Will not.
No, that we have to put in all the 3 levels, not only in the bottom.
Good morning, Prashant.
Who is this?
पास ये अपन आउटलुक यूज नहीं करते क्या?
ये कौन है? Can you mute yourself? Okay. So gas detector head be placed. Okay. So yeah, that will be at the bottom. First, we are checking at the bottom. If it's not saying about fixed gas detector, but we have to check on all the 3 levels. Of course, most of the gas will be at the bottom because the cargo is there in the bottom, and or if at any place there is some leak of cargo or something, the cargo will be there and the gas will be coming from that only. Fixed foam monitors having a nozzle rotation angle of
360.
360.
360. And if it is electrically operated, it can be 270.
Nozzles, electrically operated nozzles.
हाँ सर, अगर कोई electrically operated है तो वो 270 से होगा.
I have never seen any electrically operated nozzles. Also, how they are working? Who is this? Ankush?
Yes sir. सर मैंने पढ़ा था सर, मतलब मैंने देखा नहीं है खुद भी, मैंने पढ़ा.
Search करो, search. Which of the following is true about dry powder fire extinguishers? You should avoid using them in confined spaces. Best choice for electrical fires. You should only use them in confined spaces. There is a black band above. Why you should not use them in confined spaces?
Because it is suffocating.
Correct. In the vicinity of an electrical storm tank cleaning. I don't know what is electrical storm tank cleaning. May
In the vicinity of electrical storm, tank cleaning. मतलब
Must be
comma होना
stopped.
चाहिए था, storm के बाद.
during storm, what you will do? Tank cleaning.
Stopped.
It must be
Stopped.
Stop
Continue
करना.
provided the tanks are inerted. May continue providing the tank venting system is isolated. May continue if the tank pressure remains at atmosphere. Stopped because you cannot keep tanks isolated, but it is for oil tanker. So electrical storm, yeah, stopped. Same question, if it is given, if there is some lightning, then what you will do? It's not an electrical storm, it's just you see one or two lightnings. Will you stop?
Yes sir.
No. Generally, with one or two lightnings, we don't stop. We can slow down the rate, or generally, like even for loading, discharging, one or two lightnings always you have in rains and all. So we don't do. Pollution by a tanker is?
All of the.
Yeah, okay. The tank washing machines for crude oil washing shall be the same, temporary or permanent. SOPEP stands for Shipboard Oil Pollution Efficiency Plan. Procedure in the event of oil emergency should be understood by all group members. When operating a negative suction head. Sorry, which one?
Centrifugal.
Centrifugal pump. The state of charge of a stored pressure type dry chemical fire extinguisher can be readily determined by
Visual inspection of pressure gauge.
So A, visual inspection of the pressure gauge.
Correct. That's it. So what about Shibin and Reepak? Have you found the answers? Yes. Shibin, Reepak.
Sir, not yet, sir. 5 minutes. I'll find out.
And Collins? Still searching? Okay. So what I will do, you can take a break. I will end the meeting. And after that, we will continue again. Let's see what topics we have left. And if anybody is getting any quiz questions for Chemco or something, then please put in the group so we can discuss that also. Or just see in your DG learning if any topic is left and you want it's not covered, or if you want to see that also we can do. Okay.
Sir, one small doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what's the normal timing? It's 9 to 1 o'clock and 2 to 6 o'clock. The course timing.
Yes. 9 to 12:45 and 2 to 5:45.